this video. In this video, we're going to talk about something very important, problem solving strategies and shortcuts that will help you do well in competitive exams like SSC and bank exams. These strategies will help you solve questions faster and with better accuracy. So keep your note ready and stay focused till the end. I'm going to prove with example. Okay, let's begin. Why problem solving strategies are important. In exams like SSC and bank, time is very limited. In SSC Tier-I exam, you have to solve 100 questions in 1 hour. That includes English, general awareness, reasoning, and quantitative aptitude. In Bank Prelims exam, you also have 100 questions, but each section, English, reasoning, and quantitative, is timed separately. You get 20 minutes for each section. That means you need to be fast, focused, and smart with your time. That's why strategies and shortcuts are very important. Strategy number one, read the question carefully. Many students lose marks because they don't read the question properly. Always take a few seconds to read the question completely. Understand what it's asking. Sometimes even small words like not or accept can change the meaning. So stay alert and avoid silly mistakes. Strategy number two, start with easy questions. Always begin with questions that look easy to you. This will help you build confidence and save time. You don't need to go in order. In most exams, you can skip difficult questions and come back to them later. In exams like bank prelims, where each section is timed, make sure you don't get stuck on a single question. Strategy number three, eliminate wrong answers. When you are unaware of the answer, try eliminating the wrong options first. Even if you don't know the right answer, remove 2 or 3 wrong choices. That will improve your chance of guessing the right answer. This works well in reasoning and general awareness sections. Use logic, trust your preparation, and take smart guesses when needed. I'll show you with example. Ready to learn? Okay, let's solve question number 1 by using elimination method. I remember that Gandhiji went to England in the year 1888 at the age of 18 or 19 to study law. By using this ID, we can get and we can assume the right answer. Okay, how? Let me read the question. The birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi is celebrated as the national festival of India. In which of the following years was Gandhiji born? Subtract. Let's check option 1. Subtract 1885 from 1888. What do we get? We get 3. Gandhiji was too young to learn law at the age of 3. Therefore, we can skip option 1. Subtract 1869 from 1888. We get 19. This can be the right answer. Let's proceed on. Subtract 1890 from 1888. We get -2. which is impossible, right? Impossible. Let's solve question. Let's check option 4. Subtract 1877 from 1888. We get 11. Gandhiji was too young to learn law at the age of 11. I remember that he went to England to study law at the age of 1819, right? For the right answer is option 2. By this way, we can assume the right answer by using elimination method. I'll show you another example from reasoning question. Okay, let's move to next question. This is reasoning. I remember that opposite faces of a dice can never be seen at a time. That's what I know. Six letters A, B, C, E, F, and G are written on different faces of a dice. Two positions of these dice are shown in the figure below. Find the letter on the face opposite to A. A opposite cannot be seen together along with A, right? Here, A is seen together with G and F. Therefore, G and F cannot be the answer. G cannot be the answer. F cannot be the answer. Here, A, C, B can be seen together. Therefore, C cannot be opposite to A. Therefore, option 2 is the right answer. Now, let's use shortcut, okay, and tricks. Let's use shortcut and tricks. Let me read the question. A circle's center is connected to its 50 centimeter long chord by a perpendicular that is 21 centimeter long. Find the circle's radius. A chord is a line segment whose endpoints are on the circumference of the circle. This is chord, which is 50 centimeter, and it is 21 centimeter from the center of the circle. 50 half is 25, right? 25. Okay, now we are asked to find this hypotenuse of the right triangle. Use Pythagoras theorem. Square root of 25 square plus square root of 21 square. I'll use unit digit test, okay? 5 square, unit digit is 5, right? Plus 1 square, unit digit is 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Among the given option, unit digit 6. Where do we have 6? Unit digit option 4, 6. Option 2, unit digit is 8. This cannot be the answer. Option 4 is the right answer. Option 1, unit digit is 5. This cannot be the answer. Option 3, unit digit is 4. This cannot be the answer. Unit digit 6 is only option 4. Therefore, the right answer is option number 4. Let's take the answer. We get the right answer. Let's solve the next question. Question number 4. The radius of a circle is 8 centimeter. The distance of a point lying outside the circle from the center is 17 centimeter. The length of the tangent drawn from outside the point to the circle is. Radius of the circle is 8 centimeter. P is a point outside the circle. Join P and center of the circle. That is 17 centimeter. From point P, draw a tangent. A tangent means if a straight line touches the circle only at one point, then that straight line is called tangent. Now we form right angular triangle. We are asked to find this length. Here, use Pythagorean triplets. 8, 17, missing number is 15. Learn by heart this triplet, okay? These are commonly asked. 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 8, 15, 17. We will be using this 7, 24, 25. 8, 17, missing number is 15. Therefore, option 2 is the right answer. This value will be 15 centimeter. Okay, let's solve more questions. If 321y72 is a multiple of 6, where y is a digit, what is the value of y? 321y72, multiple of 6. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. We can check divisibility by 2 and 3. But here, a number is divisible by 2 if it is even. Unit it is 2, it's even. Not to check with 2. Check divisibility by 3. Let's check it. 3 is divisible by 3. 2 plus 1 is divisible by 3. 7 plus 2, 7, 9 is divisible by 3. Y can be 0, 3, and 6, 9. These are the possible values of y, so that the number 321y72 is divisible by 3. What is the least value of y? Y least value is 0. 0 is the answer. If we have, let's say, 1 here, 1 plus how much is divisible by 3? 1 plus 2 is divisible by 1 plus 2 is divisible by 3. Therefore, the answer can be 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, and so on. Okay. In this particular question, the answer is 0. Can you understand? Let's move to another question. In art, an article is sold at a profit of 250%. 250% profit means 100. Let's take 100 cost price. 100 plus 250, that is 350. Okay. What's the ratio of its cost price to selling price? This is selling price. This is cost price. 250. We get 350 from here. 250% more means 100 plus 250, that is 350. Cancel it. 0 0 cancel. 5 2 are 10. 5 7 to 35. Selling price to cost price is 7:2. Option 4 is the right answer. Wait, what we are asked to find? Ratio of cost price. No, not this. Be careful about the question. Cost price to selling price, right? Cost price 2 is to 7. Answer is 2 is to 7. Let's learn more. Let's learn from to solve mensuration. We have to learn about volume. What is the height of a conical water tank having radius of 70 meters and volume 46200 meters cubed? Volume of cone is V equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. To the value V is 46200 equal to 1 by 3 pi is equal to 22 by 8. Pi is equal to 2 by 7 into r square. R is 70 into 70 into h. I can cancel 0 0 7 7. I can cancel 2 1 1 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 6, 2, 1 is 2. Multiply this. We'll use unit test. 3, 1 is 3. Equal to 11 into 7 is 7 into 8. 7 into what value is equal to 3? 7, 9 are 63. 3, unit is 3. 2 can be the answer. 7, 7 are 49. Unit 9. We don't get 3. 1 cannot be the answer. 7, 8 are 56. Unit is 6. We don't get 3. This cannot be the answer. Some 4 are 28. Unit 8. We don't get 3. Therefore, option 2 is the right answer. This is called unit digit test. Okay. Let's solve more questions. Want to learn more? All right. Let's learn a few more questions. Let's work on problem from ratio and proportion. If A is to B is 6 is to 8 and B is to C is 5 is to 10, then A is to B is to C is A is to B is 6 to 8 right here, B is to C is 5 is to 10 right here. Cancel it. Put in the smallest form. 2, 3 are 6, 2, 4 are 8, 5, 1 is 5, 5, 2 are 10. What is common here? B is common. B value is second one 4. B value is the first one 1. Try to make these two equal. By multiplying the right hand side by 4, we get 4 1 is 4, 4 2 are 8. Now we get B value same, right? When B value are the same, we can write the ratio. Final ratio A is to B is to C is A value is wait. C is 3 is to 4 is to 8, right? B is 4, C is 8. 3 is to 4 is to 8 is option 1. That's the right answer. Let's solve a few more questions. Let's solve problem from board and string. What we're asked to find distance here. How much distance will the boat cover in 12 hours in still water? From this figure, speed is equal distance by time times distance by speed. We're asked to find distance, right? Distance is equal to speed into time. After multiplying with this 12 hours, we'll be getting the right answer. 12 is 3 into 4. We can check divisibility by 3 and 4. All the given options are divisible by 4. Therefore, skip this. Check divisibility by 3. 9 plus 2, 11. Not divisible by 3. 4 plus 1, 5. Not divisible by 3. 9 plus 6, 15. Divisible by 3. 100. Not divisible by 3. Therefore, the right answer is option 2. Next question. Are you enjoying? Do you want me to solve more questions? Time and work. Question number 10. There are two pipes used to fill a tank, and when opened together, they can fill the tank in 20 minutes. This time is important. If one pipe can fill the tank 2.5 times, 2.5 times, 2.5, convert this into fraction. 2.5 is mixed number. 2 right here. Multiply 2 and 2, add the answer with 1. We get 2 to 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2. 2.5 is 5 by 2. If one pipe can fill the tank 2.5 times as quickly as the other, then the faster pipe alone can fill the tank in. We can check divisibility by 7. Okay, since the fast efficiencies are 5 to 2. Since 20 is divisible by 5, we can check divisibility by 7. But I'll explain more. You'll know to make it easy. I'll call A and B. Okay, pipe A, pipe B. Efficiencies are 5 and 2, right? 5, right here, 2. 5 plus 2 is 7 into, they can fill the thing in 20 minutes. 20. What we are asked to find, the faster pipe efficiency, more efficiency is faster pipe. A value is given. Question mark into 5 must be equal to 7 into 20. 5 for 20. 7 for 28. 28 is the answer. Therefore, we can check divisibility by 7 here. Which of the given option is divisible by 7? 30 is not divisible by 7. 32. 7 through 21. 7 5 35. 7 4 28. Not divisible by 7. 7 4 28. Not divisible by 7. 7 5 35. Right. Option 4 is the answer. We can get the answer using divisibility by 7. Let's work on question number 11. The angle done by minutes hand in 25 minutes in a clock is. Start from 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 minutes, 10, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is 25. One complete rotation is 2 pi, okay? In terms of radian, 2 pi. In terms of degree, 360 degree. Count it all together. 1 part, 2, 3, 4, 5 part is write 5 here. Total part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? Out of 12, 5 part. 5 by 12 into 2 pi. 2 pi is one complete rotation in terms of radian. Cancel it. 2, 6 or 12. We cannot cancel anymore because 5 is a prime. 5 pi by 6 is the final answer. Enjoy. In this way, we can get the answer in few seconds. Here are some quick tips to stay ready before the big day, that is before your exam. Okay, number 1, solve mock test daily. This will speed and help you manage time. Okay, number 2, revise your shortcuts. Use a separate notebook for formulas and tricks. Number 3, sleep well before the exam. Remember, a fresh mind works faster. When we sleep well, we get fresh mind. Okay. Number 4, stay calm during the exam. Don't panic if a question looks hard. 5th, start with easy questions. This builds confidence and ensures you don't leave marks behind. Number 6, skip and return. That means if you are stuck, move on to the next and you can come back later. All right. Okay, let's quickly review what we have learned today. Read the question carefully during exam. Start with easy questions. What else? Eliminate wrong answers. Use shortcuts like elimination, approximation, unit digit trick, Pythagoras triplets. Then be smart with time and stay calm. Here is your task to do. Okay, practice 10 questions using any two strategies you learned today. Share one trick or shortcut you use in these comments, all right? And get ready for the next video where we'll focus on mock tests and real exam readiness. You are almost there, just one more step to go. Keep practicing these strategies we learned today. Stay positive, believe in yourself. You are preparing not just for an exam, but for a better future. I'll see you in the next video.